Alright guys, I got another unboxing here for you. This should be quick because I have to figure out, this is a brand new product to the market, I believe. It's made by a company called Knog, K-N-O-G, and it's called the Scout Bike Alarm and Finder. Now, those of you who know again about my workshop and my work on e-bikes and motorcycles and bicycles, and you pretty much know that this is right up my alley. Bluetooth, lightweight, USB-C recharge, 85 decibels, waterproof, IP65. Interestingly enough, it's minimalized or minimal packaging. If we start here, we can see it says Bluetooth, USB charging, waterproof. It has a cover on it, a loud alarm, and they recommend it going on your cup holder. I guess in between the brackets and your cup holder. But when you open it up, this is what you have. This is all that you have. You have the device with its cover, so you can take the cover off. So it has two holes here. It has little indentations on the side. It has buttons on the side as they corresponded to the controls. This here is the on button. This here is the USB-C. Let me open it up. Port, so you can see that for charging. Again, I think this is a brand new product to the market. There's a QR code here. It says to set up the account. I don't see, hang on a second, because I'm not seeing any manual. It has these two pieces in the back. If you look on the cover here, there's two things that go in the hole. I haven't taken these out. Let me see what they are. So these are screws. So these are the screws that you would use to connect this to the bike holder. I guess that washer goes beneath. Yeah, it goes flat in. But obviously I wouldn't use these because I don't think if I'm putting this between my bike holder, I'm trying to figure out. I would obviously not use these unless I was putting this alone somehow, because I would need to mount I'm sorry, I'm getting a lot of messages right now. I would need to mount let me see if I can turn that off. I'm not sure how. The cup holder to the top of this to get this look. I don't know if you can see that cup holder look. Or you can put it by itself, as you see there, which is when I guess you would use these screws and put the waterproof cover on it. The protecting cover on it, not the waterproof, but protecting. I would prefer the cup holder version because that's security. Even though this is not a regular screw. So I'm assuming, let's delve in deeper here, because I'm assuming then that there's a screwdriver, right? So I hear something shaking inside. Not sure I like this packaging because it's not, this is all glued together. Looks like I can peel up here. Yes, I can. Secret compartments. So I peel up here. I'm sorry, excuse me. And we have the specialized screwdriver with these two inserts that will go in here on the screw to turn it. So that's very interesting. That means that regular person walking up will not be able to unlock this. All right. Still no manual. When I do the setup, I'll get to see how it works. I'm assuming you just connect. It says Bluetooth, so you connect to the app. You plug this. You connect this to your bike holder. No manual really needed, I think. But and I'm assuming this may be a prototype. But either way, if it works the way it's supposed to, this will be very useful. There are a lot of bike thefts going on, and this will be one way to make sure that you're not a victim. So I'll be back with the final review in full, and you can check it out using the link in the description of this video. The Knog Scout Bike Alarm and Finder. And it's and Finder because it does work with the Apple Find My app.